Hey guys, today's video is going to be a Poshmark Q&A, but before we start the video, I'm going to announce who the winner of my Lululemon outfit raffle is. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, in my last video, I basically told you guys that I was doing this little thing. I was gonna raffle off a Lululemon outfit, a tank top and some leggings. The raffle ticket only cost $10. I was only doing 10 spots, so the first 10 people to reach out to me and to actually send the $10, those are the ones that got in. And I know that there are a bunch more of you guys that had asked after, and I'm sorry, but I maybe will do more of these in the future if you guys want, you know, with like other brands. I don't know, I just thought Lululemon was a good brand to start out with. So, okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this live. How cute is my background, by the way? My babies! So I have everyone's name here on this website. It's wheelofnames.com. So we have Gwendolyn, Stephanie, Kristen, Laura, Posh Emily, Now and Again Style, Amanda, Thrifted Finds, Sarah Posh Boss, and Jessica. Here we go. I'm gonna tap the little spinner. It's spinning. Dun dun dun. Who's gonna win? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? I can't read it. Hopefully the name will pop up. What does it say? What does it say? Now and Again Style. Hold on, focus, focus. Why are you not focusing? Oh, I'm trying to tap my phone to get my camera to focus. That makes sense, Vanessa. There we go. Now and Again Style, you are the winner. Woo! Send me an email with your shipping info. My email will be down below. It's just vadisrad@gmail.com. But yeah, send me an email and I will ship your new Lululemon outfit out to you. And from your name, it sounds like you're a reseller, so good for you, because you'll be able to turn around if you don't want to keep this outfit, which, you know, maybe you might want to keep the outfit. But you could turn around and sell it and make like literally 10 times your money back. So congrats again to Now and Again Style. Yay! Like I said, I might do more of these in the future if you guys like them. If there's like particular brands that you want me to do, yeah, we can work something out. On to the questions. First question. Hi Vanessa, love your videos. I gotta sneeze, hold on. Coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. You know the song The Weeknd? The Weeknd? I love The Weeknd. I've loved Abel for a long time. All right, the sneeze went away. Hi Vanessa, love your videos. They are a huge lifesaver when I started reselling on Poshmark. I wanted to ask you if you can pack items. Hold on. I wanted to ask you if you can pack items that are sold on Poshmark on a priority mail flat rate box, because I went to the post office recently and they told me I couldn't ship it even though I've used them so many times. What do I do? Okay, so I get this question a lot, and I've heard people having issues with their post office saying you can't ship in this box, blah, blah, blah. So on Poshmark, you can ship in any priority box. Priority box. You cannot ship priority express. So if it says express on the box, you can't use it. But from what you said, it just sounds like you have a priority box. And yes, you are able to ship with that. And it even says, actually, I don't know. It says something on the shipping label, like a note from Poshmark to the USPS peoples. It's like at the bottom of the label, or maybe at the top, the bottom or the top. Okay, now I'm gonna have to look, because maybe I'm just pulling this out my ace. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. But no, I'm pretty sure there is something on the shipping label that gives instructions. Yeah, it says right at the bottom, it says Poshmark shippers are authorized to use all priority mail packaging, including flat rate and regional rate packaging through zones of local 1 through 8. So I don't know what that last stipulation is. I don't know what zones 1 through 8 are. So maybe you're trying to ship to zone 9. But I would go back to the post office and show them that little like snippet at the bottom. Is that a puppy dog outside my door? Hello? Hello? Mommy. What are you doing? Mommy. No nap today. 2:40. Everyone's gonna come and join my video now. What, baby?
Can I take one sin?
Sure.
Can I have like a normal Hershey kiss and that's it?
Yes, you can have another Hershey Kiss, but get one for Sissy Girl and Abba too.
Okay, I will.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, definitely go back to your post office and say, hey, no, I can ship. Just make sure that your box doesn't say express on it, because, you know, I've made that mistake before. next question. Dun, 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 dun. I would love to start doing Poshmark full-time eventually. I currently have less than 150 listings, so I'm literally just starting out. I've only sold around 25 items, so my sell-through rate isn't very high. I've only been at it since mid-June, so not going to get discouraged or anything. So mid-June and it's the first week in July and you've sold 25 items, that's pretty good. That's pretty good for just starting out, so give yourself some credit. I was wondering on average how many items you sell a month. On average, you know, that's not something I have averaged out. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I can look back last month and tell you how many items did I sell last month. Last month I sold 138 items and that was a very slow month for me. So yeah, I don't know my averages. I've honestly never, I don't know. That's probably something that's good to know, but I've never like averaged it out. Maybe I can make a video like giving you guys info like that. Comment down below and let me know if that's something that you want to see. Okay. Next question. Hi, I love watching your videos. I have a question. Do you have to report your earnings when you do taxes, both for Mercari and Poshmark? Thank you. So, I, like Cardi B, I don't like giving out tax advice because, yeah, I'm not a professional and everyone's situation is different and, you know, I don't want to give you guys the wrong advice, but I do know that if you earn more than $600 in a year, you have to report that as income. Where it gets kind of sticky, I think, is it has to be like $600 profit. So the things that you sold, you had to have earned profit on. You had to have purchased them at a lower price and earned profit, if that makes sense. But yes, you do have to report it as income. You don't want to mess around with the IRS and just those people, because you don't want to mess around with them. And that's why I'm hesitant to give out tax advice. But I do know that. Definitely get advice from a professional, not me. Like regarding tax stuff, I do know that though. I do know that for sure. Okay, and the last question is, have you ever done anything embarrassing on Poshmark? Sorry, this is really funny. I once sent a pair of underwear by mistake. All I can think of is that it got stuck inside the shirt in the laundry. Lesson learned, never wash my own clothes with Posh clothes for sale. Buyer was weirded out at first, but understood, LOL. Yeah, that's, there's that puppy dog again, I hear it. That's really funny. Ira's probably like, what is this? I didn't order some underwear. Yeah, so that's embarrassing. So have I ever done anything embarrassing? Really the only thing that comes to mind as far as like something embarrassing is selling something and not being able to find it. That actually happened to me yesterday. Yeah. Shout out to, actually I don't even know your first name because on your shipping label it's just initials. So I don't even know your first name. I see it just says your initials on your Poshmark page. So yeah, I don't know your like real name, but you know who you are. You just purchased a bundle from me recently. You actually purchased a bundle from me like a couple days ago, then you purchased another bundle from me, which I'm so grateful for. Thank you so much. I sold the bundle to her and I couldn't find one of the t-shirts that was in the bundle, and I think that's kind of embarrassing, you know, because this is like my business and I'm supposed to be professional and, you know where my shit is. So yeah, that was kind of embarrassing. She was totally cool and like understood, and I told her to pick something else from my closet, and I sent that away, and hopefully she's happy with that and not too mad at me. She didn't seem like she was too mad at me, but yeah, that was kind of embarrassing. I was like, oh my gosh. I literally looked all day yesterday for it. I was like, where is this? Where is it? And I honestly have no idea. I have no idea. So yeah, that's something embarrassing that I can think of. Again, you know, this is my business. I'm supposed to be professional. You know, I'm supposed to know where my inventory is, and I know where 99% of my inventory is, just that one friggin' t-shirt. Like, where did it go? Yeah, nothing embarrassing like sending someone my underwear. Did they send the underwear back to you or did they keep it? Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope it answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. Look for more raffles coming soon. Comment down below and let me know if there's any particular brands or like anything in general you'd want to see in a raffle, and I'll see what I can do. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.